In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow in Canva. Let's get started by opening your design in Canva. You can use any existing project or start a new one, but make sure you're on the page where the element you want to enhance is visible. Shadows are a simple way to add depth, contrast, and focus, and they work beautifully on photos, graphics, and even text. Next, click the text, image, or element you want to add a shadow to. You'll see the top toolbar update with options that apply to whatever you've selected. This keeps things contextual, so you're always editing the right item. If you have multiple elements stacked, it helps to click directly on the one you want or lock the others temporarily to avoid accidental changes. Now, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Image. This opens a panel with a variety of editing tools. We're focusing on the Shadows section, which is designed specifically to create depth and separation from the background. If your panel is long, scroll until you see Shadows so you don't miss it. Select Shadows. You'll see several ready-made styles to choose from. Drop is a classic directional shadow that makes elements appear raised off the canvas. Glow creates a soft halo around the object, great for a subtle lift or a neon effect when colored. Page Lift simulates a slight paper curl, which is perfect for photos or frames. Backdrop places a larger, softer shadow behind the element, adding a studio-like feel. Choose the shadow style that best matches your design intent. After selecting, fine-tune the look by adjusting the offset, blur, transparency, and color. Offset controls the distance and direction of the shadow, which can suggest where your light source is. Blur softens the edges. More blur equals a gentler, more natural look. Transparency sets how strong or subtle the shadow appears. And color lets you harmonize the shadow with your palette. Try a deep neutral for realism or a brand color for a stylized effect. As you adjust, keep an eye on the overall balance. Small changes often go a long way, especially on lighter backgrounds. If you're matching multiple elements, use consistent offset and blur so everything feels cohesive. Zoom in to refine details, and zoom out to confirm it reads well at a glance. When you're happy with the result, click Apply. That locks in your shadow settings for the selected element. You can repeat the same process for other items in your design to maintain a consistent look. And that's it. Clean professional shadows in Canva, done quickly and confidently.